Today, I'm going to be discussing why the metaverse is huge for Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also, comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. And then also go ahead and get your free stock from public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock that you can sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin if you want. I got a $300 stock of Amazon and I literally just sold it and invested into Shiba Inu Coin. Got myself a free $300 in Shiba Inu Coin. Might as well try out your luck with that with the first link in the description. Just deposit $1. And then also go ahead and join our private Discord with the second link in the description. We put out buy alerts on, Shiba Inu Coin, other cryptos, and you get first looks into new cryptos we're looking into that can give you really good gains. So if you guys want to try that out, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin. So I am pre-making this video as I'm going to be going to California for the Super Bowl. So if the prices look a little bit out of date, this is why. But I'm going to try to go over a macro view on Shiba Inu Coin today and discuss why the metaverse is going to be so massive for Shiba Inu Coin and giving you guys some updated information that you guys need to know about it. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. I will also be doing technical analysis at the end and more of a macro view as well. But anyways, so Shiba Inu Coin down about 5% today. If we look in the last month, we've actually been doing very well, even though we had a big dip there in January, obviously, down 27% at one point. Now we're up 8%. So obviously doing pretty well for the month, especially over the last couple of days though. And kind of seeing a cup and handle form here, I would like to say, but anyways, that is gonna be discussed more in the technical analysis a bit later. Now let's move on to the metaverse part of this video. So if you guys don't know, Shib token on Twitter, this is the official Shiba Inu Coin account. They are verified. You can verifiably check this. They have 2.7 million followers. They just released some news about the Shiba Inu Coin metaverse, and it comes in a blog post from their official blog that they put out. And basically they introduced a lot of different stuff, but I want to be going over why this is so massive. So if you don't know, before we just knew that a metaverse was coming. We knew that the code name for it was Shiberse, but that wasn't going to be the real name of it. But we didn't know much about the metaverse, what this would be like. Well, according to this article right here, they're saying that this is going to be very, very similar to something like Decentraland or Sandbox, where you're going to be able to buy land. So if you guys don't know, right here, you're going to be able to own Shiba virtual real estate in this metaverse. And this is what I thought would happen, but there was no confirmation of this. When you hear metaverse, that could mean a multitude of things, but it was announced that you are going to be able to buy and sell, purchase and auction land really soon, apparently. And apparently this is going to be the queue to buy this land, at launch is going to be able to be sold with leash. So I bet leash is running. So if you're holding leash, you're going to get first access to buy this land. So if you're not holding leash yet and you want to own land in the virtual real estate, you might consider purchasing yourself some sheep. But in order to, they're working on a queue system for the Shiba Land sales event. This system aids with the prevention of bots and gas wars. So if you guys are concerned, like, oh, I'm just going to lose out on this land to bots and people that can pay more gas than I do. Well, they're making a queue system, so it's not like the NFTs that we had. So it's fair and smooth for the community. And yeah, this is the really big thing though. I didn't know when the metaverse was announced. I didn't know what that really meant because there are different types of metaverses. There's Axie Infinity, and then there's like Decentraland, where you're able to buy and sell land and you're able to go everywhere in that metaverse. And big stores are going to get into it, big businesses are going to get into it, obviously. And if we didn't have the ability to buy and sell land in the metaverse, I really don't think this would be as successful of a project as I think it's going to be now. Now that we have confirmation that we're going to have Shiba lands and you're going to be able to buy and sell this is very massive, because that means big businesses are going to be able to get into our metaverse. Samsung got into the Decentraland metaverse. We can definitely do something like that. We have a bigger market cap than Decentraland. We are a bigger coin, known more. So if Samsung is willing to get into Decentraland, then I think we're going to be able to get some very big people into our metaverse as soon as it is available for purchase, and then also the metaverse is up and running. So we did not get a timeline when the Shiba Inu Coin metaverse would be released. However, I would assume sometime in the next couple of months that this would be released, considering the land will be available to be purchased soon. But the big thing, the warning for you guys, make sure that you guys invest in Leash if you guys have not already, if you want to buy the Shiba Inu Coin land or Shiba lands, because if you don't have Leash, you're not going to be able to buy it until later, and I believe you're going to have to buy Leash anyways to buy it. So make sure you guys have some Leash. I'm not sure how much it's going to be, so I will definitely update you guys that once we actually get that, but make sure that you guys have some Leash if you guys want to buy some, buy some land. But the metaverse basically is going to welcome some top partnerships. So if you guys don't know, like I said earlier, with Decentraland, they got Samsung. I really do think Shiba Inu Coin is in contact with a lot of big businesses that want to have some land in this metaverse, in a place in this metaverse. And I think the first business that does that is going to get a ton of, recognition, name rec, and it's going to be very beneficial for both them and Shiba Inu Coin. This is a massive catalyst for us, guys. There are so many catalysts that can be built into this with businesses coming in to our metaverse. Shiba Inu Coin, I cannot stress this enough, is going to benefit greatly from this metaverse. But yeah, that's all I wanted to kind of go over with that. But let's get into the global crypto market. You can see it says we're down 14% over the last day to a $1.72 trillion market cap. That is simply not the case. I don't know why CoinMarketCap keeps on lying to us about how much the market cap is. But anyways, Bitcoin is still above 44,000. Ethereum's up above 31,000 as well. Shiba Inu Coin is currently sitting in 14th place, right behind Binance USD. And I really like where our volume has stayed at. I like that the volume has stayed above $3 billion today. I thought we could possibly dip below that, but we haven't yet. The volume is down 24%, yes, but obviously there's not as much hype today as there was in previous days. So I'm very glad that we were able to do this much volume, even on a day with relatively no news. Until now, obviously the Metaverse news was just announced. But anyways, it seems like the people have not really found that out yet. But yeah, let's get into the technical analysis. You can see here that we are going to be trading between these short-term resistance at the 35 as well as the support at the 30 now. So we bounced off this support at the 30 earlier today. We had a 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern, which is a bullish reversal. So I would assume that we do test this 35 resistance sometime tomorrow, but we'll have to see. The MACD is trending up, and then the RSI is sitting at about 46, which is not overbought, not oversold. I definitely think we could easily make a run for that 35 resistance, maybe test it again, but not quite get over it. But yeah, make sure that you guys get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon and then just sold it and put it into Shiba Inu Coin. So if you guys want to try your luck with that, go ahead and use the first link in the description, deposit $1, and then also get signed up to our private Discord with the second link in the description. You're going to get our buy and sell alerts, as well as one-on-one interactions in Discord, as well as first look into new cryptos we're looking at. So if you guys want to get all that, use the second link in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach. Hope to see you in the next one.